Hello, Robert. Hi, this is Tony Finley here, coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Hey, you inquired about a 2018 Silver Sonata. Hey, I do have one in stock here. This is what we call an SEL. The Sonata comes in an SE or SEL package, sport, and has quite a few different packages on it. Comes standard with power windows, power door lock, tilt and cruise, keyless remote entry. You do get things like Android and Apple Play capability on it. Comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Here at Tameron, we dealt with to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost and no strings attached. Also has a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty on it and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. And as you can see, I have the silver and I have quite a few other ones in stock. So based on colors or anything like that that you might be interested in, we do have it in here. Now, here at Tameron, we guarantee you great service and a great price, so give me a call, 205-380-6250, or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Once again, Robert, this is Tony coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31.